Man has used light to communicate for millennia, whether it be the lighting of beacons to signal a warning or call for help as in the sequence from The Lord of the Rings. Or the use of naval signal lamps and other similar devices. Today, we use light to transmit information, enabling cellular, internet, and television communications, among other things. We know that light can be modulated to carry and transmit information. So, it should not be surprising that the body's biofield also communicates through pulses of light known as biophotons. And just as optical devices communicate intent, know or do something, so do biophotons. Biophotons instruct the cells and organs of the body to act or respond in a particular way. This is the whole basis of energetic forms of healing, where the healers modulate the biofield and its communications through intent to positively affect health. In fact, scientific research is increasingly pointing to the important role that human intention plays in biofield interaction. In other words, consciousness is behind the biofield and its communications. Or, more precisely, consciousness is the biofield and its communications. Some researchers have reached this very conclusion. At this point in our discussion, we can derive several more attributes of the light of Christ in consciousness. First, both create field effects. Now, these effects, according to Joseph Smith, include, but are not necessarily limited to, mind, glory, and power. Like all fields, they can encompass or be nested within other similar fields. As we have articulated previously, the light of Christ and consciousness can create group minds. This would be the mind field effect. The field effect of glory is the envelopment and penetration of visible light around and into a body or groups of proximate bodies. These are sometimes called auras or biofields. And lastly, the field effect of power is enhanced mental effect by a group or faith, as the gospel terms it. There is a persistent narrative which claims that married couples over time begin to look like each other. But this narrative is likely more than folklore. A scientific study performed in 1987 found that there is a basis for this narrative. The study recorded the results of photos judged for physical similarity and the likelihood that they were married without disclosing their identities and marital status. The results showed an increase in similarity after 25 years of living together. The authors of the study believed that the primary reason for the increase in facial similarity was due to marital happiness. Another postulated reason is that couples repeatedly, empathetically imitate each other over a long period of time. However, there may be another reason for the enhanced facial similarity of long-married couples, one that relates to consciousness and the light of Christ.